Today we're going to bring a pendant light. We're going to set it up, and of course they give you a long cable included, so you can lower it down or raise it up as much as you want. To raise it up is easy. All you got to do is unscrew this part and pull in. Excessive cable has to be internal here, so you just slot it in here, and then what you want to do is make sure this connects to this part of it. Of course, this is a dimmer. You could put them as a dimmer or on and off. So today we're going to turn it on and see how beautiful it looks at night. We're also going to raise it up because it's too high, the cable as it is. It's very long. So we're going to raise it up to an eye level, and you're going to see how beautiful it is. It has one big giant LED light in there. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. We have a ground. If you have a ground, set it up. You can do that. There it goes. How much light we're getting up here. So this is very powerful light. This will be perfect for an island. If you have an island in your house, in your kitchen, you could set this up. Very elegant pendant. You could stretch it up as much as you want. You could raise it up or lower it down. Easy to set up there. Once you have it set up, all you got to do is not worry about LED light. There's no way to replace the light bulb. So I like the fixture. It's like a marble inside. If you guys can see, I'm gonna put it a little sideways, but very elegant. You get 3 or 4 of these to light up your area, but they're not as bright as you want them, but they're very soft, perfect for a kitchen, living room, an entrance, anywhere you want to set them up. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.